We've got our power supply mounted firmly in the case. It's all good. The next thing I'm going to put in is the hard disk drive. This is just a 160 gig Samsung with a SATA connection. For those of you that aren't familiar, SATA is this type. IDE is that long type there. Your older drives will be IDE type connections. So look, basically again, there's only one sort of way these things will fit, and if you pop them in, you'll see there's screw holes that line up there. If I can get the light right. So you see there's screw holes that line up there, and look, it really is as simple as it looks. All you've got to do is get the screws that came in the little anti-static bag and screw them in. So you've got two on each side. Now most of your cases will actually be able to come off, you'll actually be able to take off both sides on them. So all you need to do, this is tricky one-handed, screw them in. Once you've got it started, it's right normally. Again, you don't want to do them up too tight because you want a little bit of movement in them to be able to get the next ones in. You do them up too tight and you're up the creek. Yes, I'm using my chin. Up the creek when it comes to getting the next ones in. So yeah, you just go sort of not quite finger tight, just a little bit loose. Alright, when you stand your case up, see you've got some pins on the back here. Undo those fellas, don't lose them, you'll want them later. And your case should just peel away like that. Alright, so there's the other side of our drive, and as you can see, the screw holes are there waiting for us. So same thing, grab your screws and whack them in. Oh, you fiddly little bugger. Got it started, your screwdriver, and screw him in. You can do them up tight now, because you're just going to go and hit the other side in a minute. Him started, finish him off. Tighten that one, tighten that one, and there you have it. Hard drives mounted in the case. On to the next chapter.